1.2b2. Our first three problems we're going to solve just like we always do. You're going to solve them using anything you have at home, counters, manipulatives. You can draw pictures. So I'm going to use my doubles plus 1 for this because I know 4 and 4 is 8 and 1 more is 9. For this, I'm going to do 6 plus 2. So 6 and 2 more, 6, 7, 8. For this one, 6 minus 2, I have 6 and I'm going to take away 2, which is 4. How many more stars than flowers are there? Okay, well, I'm trying to figure out how many more stars than flowers. So I'm going to see how many of these don't have a partner. So I'm going to kind of draw my line there so I can see, well, I have 3 stars and 3 flowers that are equal. For how many more stars? So I see 3 more stars. How many daisies are in the garden? I'm going to look for daisies and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ray has 2 toy cars. Martha has 6 toy cars. How many more toy cars does Martha have? So we're looking for how many more cars Martha has versus Ray. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So she has 4 cars. 4 more cars. Look at the base 10 blocks below. Fill in the blanks to represent the number. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I see 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 ones. Draw the number 28 using 10s and 1s. So I could represent that with 2 10s and 8 1s. Or I could represent that with 1 10 and 18 1s. (15, 16, 17, 18). How many blocks are shown? I'll put an or here so you know you don't have to do both. How many blocks are shown? Well, I see 3 10s, or 3 groups of 10s, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. How many 10s are 1 shown below? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups of 10s and 0 ones below, which has a value of 50 because I go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.